Welcome back. So we left in between, we were solving questions of 10th board CBSE, that maths questions, 1 mark question. Yes, last time we discussed about 1 mark questions and we discussed only from question number 1 to question number 10. Today we will be discussing that 1 mark question, that is 1 mark question from question number 11 to 20. So first of all, let me welcome all of you in my class, that is Sanjanvi NEET Academy. Yes, your question is very correct, that once it is NEET Academy, then why there is a need to teach mathematics. See, we cannot get rid of mathematics in any way. You study physics compulsorily for appearing in NEET examination, but in physics many of the mathematical concepts are being utilized, and then only it's possible to study physics properly. Yes? Yes. So you asked questions that why we are solving questions of that CBSE board examination, 10th board examination question. It is only because that these all are basics, and when we come to class 11 and 12, until unless our basics are not very clear, which are being taught in class 9 and class 10, we will not be in a position to solve the questions properly, I can say. So just because many of the students, they appeared in 10th board examinations and now they are waiting for their result. So this is the time when they can also go through what they have done, and simultaneously it will be a revision practice for us also. So as I said that, once again I welcome you all in my Sanjanvi NEET Academy, which is physically located in Salem, Tamil Nadu district. I will be very happy if any of my friend staying in any part of India, if he or she wants my guidance, my suggestions in any way for excelling in their examinations, I am happy to do that. So as I said that question number 10 up to 10 we already solved, and now we will be discussing from question number 11 to question number 12, right? Okay. So let us see. These all questions are 1 mark question. 1 mark question. Right? Each question from 1 to 20 carries only 1 marks. So that 1 mark, it clearly shows that we need not to spend more time in that particular question. Yes, we need not to spend more time. So how quickly we can solve the questions, that is on us. So some tricks also we need to apply. Right, question number 11. What it says, the 4th vertex D of a parallelogram ABCD. Let us take a parallelogram named as ABCD, right? and whose three vertices are given, like A vertex is given as minus 2, 3, B is given as 6 and 7, and C is given as 8 and 3. We need to find the vertices of D. So we can say that x1, y1. Now we need to find out. Now the question arises that what actually is the parallelogram? So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Also opposite sides are parallel. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Now we are already given three vertices. It means AB will be equal to CD as per the definition. Of course, AB will be equal to CD. Right? So now let us find out the distance of AB. So if I will say AB square will be equal to, so 6 plus 2 means this one, x2 minus x1 whole square plus 7 minus 3 means y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, if you are removing this square, then here square root will come. That's why I wrote AB square. So there is no problem if you are writing AB square. Okay. So here it has come as 8 and it has come as 4. So 8 square plus 4 square. Okay. Now you just observe CD when you are finding out. So CD will be also equal to whole root of, now 8, if we are writing CD, okay, so the distance, because AB I have taken this way, you can write also DC, no problem. CD or DC, there is no, absolutely no problem. Like DC, AB is equal to CD or AB is equal to DC, no issue. So DC if we are writing, then it will be 8 minus x1 plus 3 minus y1 square. Now you see in AB it came as 8 square, right? So this portion also should become 8 square. It means x1 will be equal to 0. Then only it will become 8. Na? So 8 minus 0 square. Then only it can become 8. Yes or no? Yes. So x1 will be equal to 0. Now you see where we are having x1 equal to 0. So in A and B option we are having x1 equal to 0. Now y1, whether it will be equal to 1 or it will be equal to minus 1. Let us see here. So now in the previous AB we got 4 square. Now to make it as 3 minus y1. So here if you will be putting 1, it will become 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it will not solve our purpose. So y1 should be minus 1 and then square. Then only it will become 8 square plus 3 plus 1, that is 4 square. So y1 equal to what? Minus 1. So option B will be correct. So x1 y1 will be equal to 0 and minus 1. So some of the tricks also we need to apply, though we can go for calculation also, there will not be any problem, but in this way also we can solve it. Now question number 12. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. Okay? We know that a dice is in which numbers are there. We play Ludo game, na? So if that dice is there, so it will be having 1 dot, 2 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once we will be playing with one dice, so any number may come. It may come as 1, it may come as 2, it may come as 3, 4, 5, 6, any one. Right, but here two dice are tossed simultaneously. So it will be going on as 1, then 1, then another 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Okay, if in one dice 1 came, then in another one it may come as 1, it may come as 2, it may come as 3. Similarly 1, 6. Okay, similarly if in one it has come 2, then 2, 1, 2, 2, right, 2, 3, like this, 2, 6. So total number of outcome, when we see, so total number of outcome will be equal to 6 into 6, that is 36. That's why in denominator 36 is there. So in all denominator 36 is there, no problem, right? Okay. Now what it is there, the probability of getting odd numbers on both the dice. So which are the odd number, gentlemen? Here 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there. So these three are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5 are odd number here. Okay, just what? How many odd numbers are there here? 3 odd numbers are there. So the probability of getting odd numbers on both the dice means like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, this is only possible. 1, 1 is possible. 2, actually it is even number. Then another one 3, 3 and 5, 5. Right? Okay, so the probability of getting odd number on both sides, on both the dice. So it's not that same odd number, getting odd number on both the dice. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 will become this one. So you can say that like 1 has come, in another one it may come as 1. Okay, then 1, 3 and then 1, 5, right? Similarly, if we are going for another number 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Okay, then another one 5, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. So you see how many we have come. Probability of getting odd numbers on both the dice. So 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. Okay. So 1, 5 and 5, 1 both are same. So you can say that getting odd number on both sides, on both the dice. Then 3, 1, 1, 3, it is already there. 3, 3 is there. 5, 3. So because 1 and 5 and 5, 1, 5 and 1 both are getting repeated in both the dice. So we will take it as one outcome. Okay. Similarly 1, 3 and 3, 1 we can take it as one outcome. If we will go like this, then it will become 9 by 36. Okay. So we can write 9 by 36. So 9 by 36 is the total outcome of getting odd numbers on both the dice. Okay, so the answer will be option D. Now question number 13. Two lines are given to be parallel. The equation of one of these lines is 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. And the equation of the second line can be, so for the information of all my students, if a line is given to you as ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, so the equation of parallel line will be having its x component same or proportional to it, ax plus by, but the constant will get changed. It will be c1, c2, c3. Constant will get changed. Constant will not be the same. Okay, if it is parallel line. Remaining the coefficient of x and y will be same. Okay, so in this case, now you observe 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. So this 5x minus 3y is not going to change in any way. Now let us see that where it is changing. Like here also it is given minus 15x minus 9y. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. So minus 15x is there. It means it is multiplied with minus 3, correct? Okay. So minus 3 into 5x, so it will become minus 15x. But 9y, if we are multiplying with minus, it will become plus 9y. Correct? It will become plus 9y. So this one also will not be there, this option. Second option, okay, if you are multiplying with 3, in B I am saying, here you see 15x. If you are multiplying with 3, so it will become 15x, okay, but 9y, it will become minus 9y, na? Yes. So this one is also not there. Now come to third one, C. So 5x minus 3y, so 9x minus 5y is written, 9x minus 15y. Okay, so it means the multiplication will be here that 9 by 5. 9 by 5. If we are multiplying with 9 by 5, then only 9x will come. Okay, but another side, y coincidence means y coefficient will not be 15y. Will not be 15y. So this C option is also ruled out. C option is also ruled out. Now coming to this one, D option. So minus 15x, it means it is multiplied with minus 3. So minus 3 means minus 15x and plus 9y is equal to minus 6. Okay? Right. So that is not the issue. The issue is here, as I said, that we need to get 5x minus 3y compulsorily. Okay, compulsorily 5x minus 3y will be there. So in this option D, what we will do, we will divide it, divide by minus 3x. So it will be giving you 5x minus 15x. Okay, let me just show you how it is. See, minus 15x divided by minus 3. Okay, plus 9y divided by minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by minus 3. So this minus minus will get cancelled, 3 5. So it will become 5x. Here it is 3. So minus 3y. Okay, is equal to minus 5 by 3. No problem. The constant has got changed. Remaining, as I said, that ax plus by. So this 5x minus 3y will be same to same. Then only it will be called as lines are parallel. So option D is the right answer. I hope you all have understood now. See, you have to see that in which way you are getting 5x minus 3y. See, I told you by taking more time, but in the examination you have to do it very quickly. Okay, right. Now question number 14. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. right? Hmm. Okay. So if AD is equal to 4 centimeter, AB is equal to 9 centimeter and AC is equal to 13.5 centimeter, then the length of EC we need to find out. So we know that proportionality theorem says that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, right? Yes. So even we can write as AD by DB plus 1 is equal to AE by EC plus 1. We can write. So this will be giving us what? AD plus DB by DB. Also AE plus EC by EC. So what it will give? AD plus DB is AB by DB. AB by DB plus is equal to AE plus EC, AC by EC, AC by EC. So we are already given AB, right? Okay. So AB is given to us. So let us substitute AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. Okay, no problem. AD is given, so AD is given to us. Okay, right? It is given. AB is given. Then DB we can find out, no? How? You are saying how? So AB minus AD. AB minus AD is equal to what? DB. AB is 9 minus 4 is equal to DB. So DB is equal to 5, right? This is equal to 4. So AB is 9, DB is 5 and AC is given 13.5 and we need to find EC. Okay, right? So let us solve it. Right, so EC is equal to 13.5 into 5 divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9.45, so 9 5 ja 45. So EC is equal to 7.5, correct? 7.5 centimeter. So this option B is correct. 7.5 centimeter. Let us go to next question. Question number 15. Okay. Now, we are given the question number 15 as from the letters of the word mobile, right? Mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E. A letter is selected at random. The probability that the selected letter is a vowel. The probability that the selected letter is a vowel is, which are the vowel? So we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Now O is there, U is not there, right? So which are the vowels? O is the vowel, I is the vowel, L is the vowel. Yes or no? So three vowel letters are there. One letter only is selected at random. And total outcome is 6, na? Total 6 letters are there. So total 6 outcomes. So out of 6, right? And how many vowels are there? 3. So the probability will be 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So here option C is correct. Fine. Question number 16, let us go for it. So if 3825 is equal to 3 to the power x into 5 to the power y into 17 to the power z, then the value of x plus y minus 2z is. It means we need to find out the value of x, y and z first. So how we will be finding it? It is from indices. So 3825. Let us factorize it. Bigger number is 17 here, so let us factorize with 17 first. So 17 to 34, then 42, again 17 to 34, so 85, 17, 5, 85. Further, whether with 17 can be divided, 17, 1, 17 and 5, 5, 55. In the table of 17, 55 is not coming. Okay, so we will go for 5 next one. Next one with 5. So 5, 4, 20, then 25, 5, 5 is 25. Again we will go for 5, 9, right? Then from here 3, 3 is the 9. So what we got? We got 3825 can be written as 3 to the power square, means 2 times 3 into 5 to the power 2, okay, into 17 to the power 1. Here z is equal to 1. So from here we found x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. Now we need to find the value of x plus y, means 2 plus 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So 1, 2 and minus 2 is cancelled, left with 2. So the answer is C. Question number 17. Okay, right. So a quadratic polynomial, one of whose zeros is 2 plus root 5 and the sum of whose zeros is 4. So 1 0 is given. Let us take the zero of the polynomial is alpha and beta, and we are given alpha is equal to 2 plus root 5. Correct? Beta is not given to us. We need to find out first. But their sum is given. Means I can say that alpha plus beta is given to us as 4. Now 1 is given, like 2 plus root 5 is with us. Beta we need to find out. So 4. So beta will be equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 5 and will be equal to 2 minus root 5. So beta also came as 2 minus root 5. So sum of alpha beta already is available, and now multiplication, that is alpha into beta, will be equal to 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. So this will be equal to a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So 2 square is 4 and minus root 5 square is 5. Okay, so this is given to us as minus 1. So we are having alpha plus beta, we are having alpha beta. Then what is the formula for finding out the polynomial? So the polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is the equation of the polynomial. So in this case, x square minus alpha beta is given to us as 4x, right, plus alpha beta. So alpha beta value has come as minus 1. So here minus 1. So x square minus 4x minus 1 will be the quadratic polynomial, which is b here. B. Now next one, question number 18. If the first three terms of an AP, that is arithmetic progression, are 3p minus 1, 3p plus 5 and 5p plus 1 respectively, then the value of p is, we know that if three numbers are there, a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, then b minus a will be equal to c minus b. So similarly, here we will be writing as 3p plus 5 minus 3p plus 1. Why plus 1? Because this is minus. Okay. So we are subtracting. Let me write in proper manner. Minus 3p minus 1. Correct? Okay. Similarly, 5p plus 1 minus 3p plus 5. So one step, 3p plus 5 minus 3p plus 1 is equal to 5p plus 1 minus 3p minus 5. Okay. So let us solve it. 3p minus 3p got cancelled. So left hand side it will be 6, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Right side 5p minus 3p, so that is 2p. Okay, plus 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Okay, then 2p is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, got cancelled with 5, so p is equal to 5. So the answer D, option D is the correct answer. Right? So we already solved questions from question number 11 to 18 now. And question number 19 and 20 is little different. Little different only I am telling. It's not that more difference is there. Only little difference. So assertion and reason. This is. So just check that option A will be assertion A and reason R if both are true, and also reason R is the correct explanation of the assertion A. Option B will be assertion A and reason R are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of the assertion A. Is not the correct explanation of the assertion A. Then third one, assertion A is true, but reason R is false. Option D, assertion A is false, but reason R is true. Now question number 19. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, then its radius is 28 centimeter, right? Reason is given, circumference is equal to 2 pi into r, radius of a circle. So yes, we know that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, that is radius of a circle. So now in assertion it is already given. So 2 pi r, let us write here. So 2 pi r is equal to 176 centimeter is given. So 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 176. So let us solve it. 2, 8, 8, then 22 with this 4 it has got cancelled. So r is equal to 7 into 4, that is 28 centimeter. So the assertion A is true, correct? Circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, radius is 28 centimeter, it came r value. And reason is saying that circumference 2 pi into radius of a circle, it is the formula only. So reason is also true, assertion is also true, and reason R is also the correct explanation of the assertion A. So for this question number 19, answer A will be the option. Now question number 20. So midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. So suppose a line is there A, B, and the middle point is C. So no doubt that this middle point will be dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:1 when C will be the midpoint. In that case, what would be AC is equal to CB. AC is equal to CB. Yes or no? Right. Now reason. So that is correct. Assertion A is correct. Now reason. The ratio in which the point minus 3K divides the line segment joining the points minus 5, 4 and minus 2 by 3 is 1:2. So it is a question, it is given to us. So suppose a line is there and this A point is minus 5 and 4 and B point is given to as minus 2 and 3, and it is not given that minus 3 and K is the midpoint. It is not given, gentlemen. See, any point it is given and that is minus 3 and K is written. Okay. Now we need to find out that in which ratio it is getting divided. So suppose if we take that minus 3 and K is dividing this line segment in the ratio n:1. n:1. I am taking it as n:1 because K is there, so I am not writing K:1. I am writing n:1. So in that case, we know the formula and all. Okay, so X value it is already given to you. So we know that like X coordinate of point C, if we want to find out, then how we will be writing nx2. Okay, right, formula I am telling you. So suppose it is m1 and m2, so it is m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, divided by m1 plus m2. This is the formula, section formula. We say it as section formula. We will be utilizing the same because minus 3 is given to us. Okay, minus 3 value is with us. Now n:1 as I said. So n into minus 2. n into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by n plus 1. Now we will be solving it as, so minus 2n and minus 5 is equal to minus 3n minus 3. So minus 2n and minus 3n will come here, it will become plus. So minus 2n plus 3n will give you n value, and this side minus 3 and minus 5 will become plus here. So this will be giving us as n is equal to 2. n is equal to 2. So minus 3 and K is dividing the line segment in the ratio 2:1. So C is dividing in ratio 2:1, not 1:2, 2:1. So in this case, this reason R is not correct. Reason R is not correct. Okay, and reason R is also not the explanation of assertion. It is not the explanation. So A and B will not be there in this case, because when explanation used to be there, then only A and B will be utilizing it. Here there is no explanation. Here just one question is there. So assertion A is true. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. So this option C. So in this case option C will be there. So we have solved the questions. We already saw question number 11 to 20 and we solved it. We saw that how with little carefulness and by applying logic we solved all the questions from question number 11 to 20. Right? Similarly, we will be solving other questions also. So it is just to clear the basics, and if you have liked the video, kindly share with all persons, all of your friends, so that they can also utilize it in a proper manner. I also provide, especially for students of Jharkhand and Bihar, communication skills and also mathematics for them. So communication skills development classes also I take for the benefit of the students. Thank you very much.